This is for exam 52B on the crime episode. Fight to the toilet paper. There was a store selling toilet paper and everybody needed it. A mom had her son go to the store with her to get some. Today people will do a lot to get some toilet paper since it is so scarce. They ran to the aisle to grab some, but right before they got to it, there was someone who was pushed down right beside them and was severely injured. The son had to grab the toilet paper and run through to meet back up with his mom, who had stopped by the lady. There were two other people that ran off quickly from the scene as well. As they were getting out of the store, the police came to figure out what had happened. They stopped him and said the victim of the attack said he was right by her when it happened, so he and his mom are now suspects. The police came and took samples from the scene and found a hair on the lady's shirt that they took for testing because it had to have come from the person that pulled the lady down and injured her. The police took them in for questioning along with two other people that were supposedly close by as well. They took a sample of everyone's DNA and tested it to compare to the hair found on the lady. After receiving the results from the test, they looked at it all on a gel. After reviewing the two loci, you can tell which suspect's hair it was, leading to finding the one who committed this crime. Looking at both loci and comparing the first, we conclude that suspects 2 and 4 are related. Since they each have one allele on both loci that are the same, these represent the mom and the son. We can also conclude that suspects 1 and 3 have matching alleles on the first loci, and suspects 2 and 3 have matching alleles on the second loci. Suspects 3 and 1 are the same on the first loci and also match the DNA from the hair sample. Therefore, we can narrow down the suspects to 1 and 3. Now, on the second loci, only suspect 1 matches the hair. Since suspect 1 matches the hair on both loci, then we can conclude that the guy the police are looking for is suspect 1.